We have spent the last few days talking about the traits of good character and how to model those traits at home, in school, and in the community. We have discussed different kinds of relationships and what qualities we look for in our friends. Today, I am going to focus on how to strengthen those relationships. The best way to build a foundation of healthy relationships is to demonstrate good character traits. I am going to be discussing some ways to work on improving your relationships. The first way to strengthen a relationship is to show respect. You can show respect by using good manners, avoiding offensive language, and being kind to others. The second way to strengthen a relationship is to use open and honest communication skills. By communicating, you get to really know another person's ideas and beliefs. Communication also enables you to share your thoughts and feelings and to have a good time with someone else. Next, it is important to spend quality time and share common interests. What interests do you share with family members and friends? Plan fun outings based on those common interests, such as bike riding, hiking, or seeing a movie. Another way to strengthen a relationship is to show that you care. Give family members or friends a compliment or a pat on the back for a job well done. Tell them what you appreciate about them. Offer a helping hand if someone is feeling stressed. Let friends and family know that you care about them. Give compliments and encouragement. Accept individual differences. No two people are exactly alike. Good social health involves accepting people of different races, religions, and cultural groups. It also involves respecting people who have physical impairments, behavior disorders, or learning disabilities. And finally, accept responsibility. If you do something wrong, accept responsibility for the consequences. Learn from your mistakes, but don't dwell on them. So for today's assignment, you are going to begin by completing the Google form that I have titled Strengthening Relationships. Please do your best on this quiz. It asks questions about the 6 character traits and also some questions about how to strengthen your relationship. Then next, you are going to complete the task titled Analyzing Influences. There I have created a Google Doc for you. On the left side of the document here, there are 5 boxes. In each box, you will put a name of one person. And then on the right side, you are going to write 2 to 3 sentences about what you like or enjoy about that person. Why do they make an impression on your life? For example, maybe it's a career that impresses you. Maybe it's their talent or the courage that they have. Maybe they're your friend and they stand up for you. Anything about why you look up to them and enjoy being around them. So when you're done, you will have 5 total names, so again, 1 in each box, and then 2 to 3 sentences in each box about why you enjoy that person. If you have any questions while you're working today, please email me and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Have a good day.